Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me for another story. Today we're reading The Giving Snowman, written by Julia Zheng and illustrated by Grisella Maligi. One snowy evening, Snowman stands alone in an open field. His eyes and mouth are made of little pebbles. His nose is a carrot, and he has two sturdy sticks for arms. He wears a big hat and has a thick scarf wrapped around his neck. A bird stops in front of Snowman, looking worried. "What's wrong, dear bird?" asks Snowman. "The snow is too heavy. Our nest has fallen down. My babies and I have lost our home." "Don't worry, bird. You can have my hat. It's big enough for you and your babies to rest in." "Thank you so much," says Bird, and off she flies with the hat. A rabbit stops in front of Snowman, looking worried. "What's wrong, dear rabbit?" asks Snowman. "The snow has covered the whole ground. My family doesn't have any food to eat, and we're very hungry." "Don't worry, Rabbit. You can have the carrot from my face, so your family will have something to eat tonight." "Oh, thank you so much," says Rabbit, and off she hops with the carrot. A farmer stops in front of Snowman, looking worried. "What's wrong, dear farmer?" asks Snowman. "Oh, our house is very cold. I need to light the fireplace for my family, but we don't have any wood left. I only found some coal." "Don't worry, farmer. You can take the sticks from my body and use them to start a fire for your cold family." "Well, thank you so much," says farmer, and off he goes with the sticks. A traveller stops in front of Snowman, shivering. "What's wrong, dear traveller?" asks Snowman. "I forgot to bring a winter coat before I left for my journey. I've walked a long way and I'm freezing." "Don't worry, traveller. You can take the scarf from my neck to keep you warm." "Oh, thank you so much," says traveller, and off he goes with the scarf. The next day, the snow stops and the sun comes out. Snowman starts to melt. Soon he only has a little of his body left. Bird, rabbit, farmer, and traveller come back to visit Snowman. "Oh no!" cries Bird. "The kind Snowman has melted," says Rabbit. "We must do something," suggests Farmer. "To repay his kindness for helping us," agrees Traveller. The four of them work as a team to rebuild Snowman. Traveller stays and builds Snowman's body with large balls of snow. Farmer goes back to his farm to get a carrot. Rabbit hops to the woods to look for two sticks, and Bird flies to the pond to pick up some pebbles. When Traveller finishes building Snowman's body and head, he uses the carrot Farmer brought for Snowman's nose, the sticks Rabbit found for his arms, and the pebbles Bird collected for his eyes and mouth. Then Traveller wraps the scarf around Snowman's neck and takes off his own hat, putting it on Snowman's head. Snowman is back, and he is very happy. "Thank you so much for rebuilding me," says Snowman with a smile. "Of course, Snowman. Thanks to you, my babies and I had a new home last night," says Bird. "Thanks to you, my family had food to eat last night," says Rabbit. "Thanks to you, my family was warm last night," says Farmer. "Thanks to you, I made it home to my parents last night," says Traveller. Snowman smiles. "Thanks to all of you, I'm back to being a snowman. I will always offer help when others need it. Everyone nods in agreement, and they become good friends with the Giving Snowman.